Hi, everybody. We just want to introduce ourselves. We're the Winter team. I'm Carolyn Winter.
And I'm Bill Winter.
We met over 30 years ago while earning our master's in accounting degrees. Been together ever since. Made a life together. Raised a German Shepherd. And 2 great sons. I have over 20 years of real estate experience, both listing and selling. And also 11 years as a real estate specialist.
I'm Bill Winter. I've always taken interest in houses and their construction. And I've taken the academic background in appraisal. That's what we want to do, is get the job done. We want results, and we're not alone.
Affiliated with Coldwell Banker, one of the largest, most reputable brokers in the world, we can get the job done. We have the strength behind us. We're realtors. We're held to a higher standard.
We're looking forward to discussing your real estate needs. Just give us a call or an email. Life is good, but it's so much better in Sarasota.